நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
Inaugurated by Professor, no less than a person of the status of Professor M.S. Swaminathan, the great agricultural scientist who had made a contribution to the green revolution of the country to provide food to the millions of the people. And still, he is working with the same zeal and enthusiasm and located at Chennai and heading M.S. Swaminathan Foundation. I congratulate Professor Peter, who is the President of World and Wellness Organization, for his great initiative taken to hold this series of congresses, as I said, focused on wellness. He is awakening the whole world that wellness is our birthright. Wellness is holistic empowerment of man with clean environment, positive thinking, financial security, measured, enhancing words, and respect for Mother Earth. The transformation of sand to earth, to planet, to galaxy, to mega galaxy, to universe, and to mega universe is a mystic reality of nature. He has also said fearlessness, freedom from egoism and jealousy are hallmarks of the philosophy of human wellness. Divine Noni, which he promotes, is the only instrument in this selfless pursuit for happiness, prosperity, and good health of one and all. Believe in God Almighty and practice of spirituality relieve men and women from tribulations, stress, and untold misery, to quote Professor Peter. His 10 commandments of wellness are now legion and practitioners are much benefited. The whole world is undergoing changes, and even the orientation and placement of earth due to earthquake, tsunami, and threat to atomic power plants in several countries. Thousands of men and women, including children, have died, families and homes disappeared, and geography altered. Movements of democracy in several countries like Egypt, Libya, Bahrain, Oman, etc., and changing the politics of the above country. Africa is in turmoil, both man-made and natural. Europe is in dwindling in population as Canada and Australia. Terrorism and negligism, fundamentalism are causing havoc in Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq, several other countries. The ethnic issues of Sri Lanka have left countless refugees unattended and uncared. The global plight of uncared men, women, and children is to be addressed. The situation in India is not all right, considering 52% of its women and children are anemic, leading to stunted growth and loss in work. 53% of the children below 4 years are malnourished and undernourished. India is currently home to 40% malnourished children, 20% of the world population. The current statistics on illness and disorders, loss of work hours, cost of medication, and above all, human family miseries are mind-boggling. Climate change, global warming, carbon emission, sequestration are front pages, new notwithstanding their effects on human health, nutrition, prosperity, and wellness. Human migration to places of high opportunity and income generation, depleted natural resources with limited or no replenishment of health care. WHO has warned that more than 270 million people are becoming victims to diseases linked to unhealthy lifestyle, sedentary jobs, no time left for exercise, consumption of ready-made junk foods, and above all, medications are leading to new lifestyle diseases. By 2020, chronic diseases are expected to claim 7.63 million lives in India, compared to 3.78 million in 1990. India already is the home to the largest number of diabetic patients and is projected to have 30 million by 2020. Despite above distractions and setbacks, there is a visible development in the activities around wellness in India. Life expectancy of both men and women have gone up. Diseases like malaria, filariasis, chickenpox are under control. The middle class with reasonable purchasing power has swelled, and consequently boomings in service sectors including communication and transport are visible.